Uh, but what were you saying? Sorry.
So there's like a U shape where there's not like a linear correlation where when one goes up, the other goes up, or vice versa. And there's also like where they're just scattered and there's no correlation whatsoever. And those you can't use this equation for.
Okay.
Okay. So
next one is how many observations are in this data? On the spreadsheet somewhere?
Is it just how many data points?
That's what I assumed it was saying.
Because if you do a count if or a count, it's 278, but I don't know why they would be asking that question. What the value is of that question.
278. So it's trickier than it sounds. How many observations? So maybe the question is how many observations, not how many numbers are in these first two columns on the left, but when you line them up, how many points does it make? Which would be half of 2.
So like the what, Meryl?
How many coordinated pairs?
So you're saying it would be 139?
Get all the way down to the bottom here.
Just the 139. I could go with that.
We'll try it and see.
It
makes sense.
That's what I thought it was too. Yeah. Throw my little hat in.
Okay, so I'll do the next one. What is the y-intercept? So the y-intercept would be 1.296.
That's what I got.
That's what I got.
Okay.
I'm glad you took that one because you were ready to give that number 1.
I know I was trying to do it earlier, so had to take it.
Perfect.
Okay, and then what is the slope? And that is 0.042.
Yep.
What? They're on top of the toilet. Sorry. Is everyone cool with that? 0.042?
Yes.
Yep.
All right. I'm going to get my calculator out.
So yeah, you can actually use the Excel sheet on this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's got a little where it says X under the confidence and prediction intervals. You can enter 4 in or below X.
That's sweet. So the predicted value would be 1.462?
Yep.
Yep. Looks like.
Yep.
Okay, so question 12. The confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. The maximum predicted value for y, value of y for these values of x. Is it just 6 or?
So let's see. What does it say when we put in 6?
Well, you see the hint there. It says, since it's positive, we can use the largest x value to find the largest predicted y value.
So at 100, their predicted value is 5.469.
I'm confused. Scale 1 to 6.
So I think y, let's see. So y is going to be the the confidence level that they said. And so they're saying, okay, well, if they scored 100, which is the largest X value possible,
Right.
what's the largest predicted value of Y? And so I would think that we would just put 100 in as the X, and then the predicted it gives us is 5.469. But I don't know if we look at the confidence interval after that.
Why are we putting it in 100? Because this is a percentage.
Because that's the highest possible X. At least that's what I think.
Well, it's the highest X value in the data set there too. So
Yeah,
either
no.
way
Okay.
that makes.
Yeah, I'm there too. I'm with that. I'm totally down to try that. I think Chris is. I think that's
100 then? So 5.469?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's give it a shot. Why not? 0.469.
how many independent variables are in the linear regression? Linear regression. 2.
I don't remember.
Well, does that change when you look at the next question?
Well, isn't the X variable is independent, but the Y variable is dependent? Because so there's the Y depends on the X, so there would just be
I think-
one.
Right. That's correct. That would make them 1 and 1, right?
Yeah.
But do we have to count gender score and then confidence rating? Are we worried about the confidence rating at all?
I'm not sure. But I think that's what.
So in chapter 22, it talks about this. It says sometimes it is necessary to use more than one predictor, independent variable to predict the value of a response, which is a dependent variable. But I think it'd be 1 and 1.
That's what I thought.
We have one independent variable, which means there's one variable dependent upon it.
Perfect. That works for me.
Just one?
I could be totally wrong, but I think that makes sense.
It makes sense to me. I don't remember. Let's give it a shot. 1 and 1.
All right, I'll do question 15. A company in South Dakota manufactures hard hats used in the mining industry. They record the measurements on all the hats they produce for quality control and planning purposes. The measurements they collect include hat size, circumference of the hat, and lengths of the major and minor axes, meaning the company wants to predict the size of hat given the circumference. What is the response variable? So they want to predict the size given the circumference. So the size is dependent on the circumference. So I think the size is the response.
Yes. So the first answer?
Because it is being used to predict. So I think it's C.
Let's see. But aren't we predicting?
Yeah, we're predicting this. We're predicting.
I think it'd be the first one.
We are predicting the size of hat given the circumference. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So number 1.
Variable is the size because it's being predicted, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to submit it. Let's see how we did.
You're going to tell me we got those two wrong and it's all my fault.
Yeah, and then you're going to be kicked out of our group. You're going to be on the streets.
There's only a couple weeks left.
I like Chris. I like him.
Actually, we got those 2 right, but the ones we got wrong.
Did you say ones?
Yes.
There's only 15 questions.
We got 3 wrong. So we got number 9 wrong,
Okay.
and we got number 10 wrong, and we got number 11 wrong. Oh, wait, and we got number 12 wrong. Wow, hot dang, we got 4 wrong.
9, 10, 11, and 12, huh?
Do we put in the wrong data, maybe?
Yeah, that's gotta be what it is.
Essentially.
Okay.
Number 9.
All right.
How come we've gotten that wrong?
I mean, do we need to flip the? Let's see. What's the explanatory variable in this?
B1.
We probably do have to flip them over. Let's see.
Let's see. Be sure to use confidence data for the explanatory. Yes, we need to flip them, it says.
Flip them?
Great.
Yeah,
Dang.
that's what it was. I guess we should have read the full instructions there.
Instructions.
So for slope, I got 18.690.
That's what I got.
Or sorry, for y-intercept.
I know what you meant.
Yeah.
Let's see. 18, yeah. 18 points.
Open 12 at 695.
I got predicted 69.469.
What I got?
What was the
12 was
slope?
that ugly one.
Sorry, I'm putting this all back in. What was the slope you guys came up with?
On number 10?
Yeah.
12.695.
Did you guys get 1288.172 for number 12?
I got 94.859.
Did you put 100 in for X?
No, I put 6. So this, because now what it's asking you for is for the highest confidence.
94 point. Okay.
Yeah. That would give you 94.859.
Yeah.
I'm with it. I'll try and split it this time and see what happens. That's it. Good to go.
So
Cool.
94.859.
859.
Okay.
Heck yeah. Good job, team.
Yeah, team.
Woo!
We're a team.
We are a team, and it's barely 7:43.
Well, it's 8:43 for me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm Pacific.
No, you're good. Okay, so I'll put together that that describe the data, and like I said, I'll get it over to you guys within the next day or two.
Nifty.
You guys can review it and let me know if there's stuff we need to add or fix or whatever.
Thanks, guys.
So
And I'll go ahead and post these, and we will email back and forth later this week.
perfect. Thanks, guys.
Cool. See you later.
Bye, guys.
Thanks, everybody.